Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now, and I'm going to show you how you can use Autotune assets. So what I'm going to do next is to send this to the mixer track. Alright, let's go to the mixer track 1. And what I'm going to do is to play it for you to listen without the auto-tune, any effects. Alright, so let's listen to the vocals together with the instrument without any effect. And I'm going to introduce the auto-tune assets, show you how you can actually get the right key. Alright.
Baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. Falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa. Make her take and go show mom and papa. They can get this falling.
You are finding it difficult to hear the vocals because nothing had been done on this mix. There's no compressor, nothing. I mean, what I'm going to show you is to show you how to use Autotune. Alright, so now let's go back to the mixer track. What we're going to use this auto key for is that we're going to use it to detect the right key for the vocals. Alright, maybe you don't know the right key, you can use auto key 2 to detect the right key. So as you can see, waiting for transport. So we're going to play it, and this is going to listen to the vocals and tell us the right key. Let's do that. I want you to watch here.
Baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa. Make her take and go show mom and papa. They can get this falling man. Stick to me, she no need no one.
Alright, so you can see the key is A minor, and you can switch from A minor to C major. This auto key detector is very nice. So now the key is A minor. Let's introduce Autotune assets. Alright, so this is Autotune assets. It is simple to use. Alright, for you to get a perfect Autotune settings, what you have to pay attention to is the scale and the key. Alright, now you have to know the key. Sometimes you are not the one who produced the beat. It will be difficult for you to get the right key, so you can watch the video that will pop up on the screen to know how you can actually use virtual DJ to detect the key if you don't have auto key. Alright, so now I'm going to change it to minor, and it was A minor. Let's change it to A minor. Then next thing you have to pay attention to is the routine speed. When we say routine speed, it's how much you want the auto tune to pitch your vocals, how much you want the effects from the auto-tune to act on your vocals. Alright, and one thing I like about auto-tune assets is that you can toggle from slow to medium, then to the fast. Alright, it is super simple, so you move from one step to another step, unlike other auto-tune that you can actually set up any amounts. In terms of the routine speed, this is just 3 knobs, 1, 2, 3, you feel me? Now after that, let's play the vocals together with the beats and listen to the effects from Autotune assets.
Baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. I got to treat her papa. Make her take and go show mom and papa. They can get this falling man. Stick to me, she no need no one.
As you can see, everything is perfect. If you know the right key, then you can get a perfect setting from your auto-tune. Alright, so now the next thing that you have to put in your mind is humanize. Anytime we are using auto-tune, if you don't humanize it, the artist will sound like a robot. Alright, And we don't want that in our midst. We want to sound natural. We want to sound like real human beings. So the humanize knob here is what we want to use to play around the auto-tune so that we can actually sound a little bit auto-tune and a little bit humanized. I mean human being, alright? So as you can see, it also moves from off to minimum then to maximum. Super simple. So now let's listen to this, and what I'm going to do is to increase the insert track volume here. This is something you don't have to do. You have to compress the vocals, but in today's video I'm not going to compress it. I'm just going to increase the knob here so that you can hear the vocals well. This video is helping you. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you want to know anything about music production, vocals mixing, mastering, beat making, everything is done on this channel. So subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, so let's listen to this.
Gotta get the nice thing, baby, my like me. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mama and papa. All they can do is falling man. Stick to me, she no need no one.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to exaggerate things as you are listening. Just watch here as I drag this all the way to the slow, to the medium, and to the fastness. Then I'm going to play with the humanized knob too, so that you can hear what exactly is happening. Alright?
See, gotta get the nice thing, baby, my like me. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no.
So the more you pitch the routine speed, the more effect you get from the auto-tune. This is super simple. Slow means dry, alright? Medium, then you can push it to the fast. Then the same thing here. When you bring it all the way down, there's no humanize. So let's do it.
See, gotta get the nice thing, baby, my like me. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mama.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to mute the beat so that you can hear the effect properly.
See, gotta get the nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mama and papa. All they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. All they guys did this spoiling man, but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys did this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys did this spoiling man, but she say she love me, yeah. Oh my God, this can't see what she do me. Oh my girl, come please me. This can't thing restrict me. Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it is why they beat me. Girlie give me love when I don't need. Girlie give you more than is ever. They can do this poly man, but she careless. Say she loving me, she don't need no one. All the guys did this poly man, but she stick to me, she don't need no one.
Now you hear everything perfect, and you can sometimes use your ears to detect the keys, alright, if you don't have anything to help you detect. But if you want to know how to detect using virtual DJ, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. The link will be in the description box. Give the video a like if it helps you. Let's change the key to C major 2 and listen, alright. So we change the key to C major 2 and listen.
See, gotta get the nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mama and papa. All they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one.
Okay, you can also hear that C major 2 is a perfect key. Alright, now let's add the instruments and listen.
See, gotta get the nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me, I got to treat her papa. Make her take and go show mama and papa. Oh, they can do this poly man. She stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, they can do this poly man, but she say she love me. Oh, the guy did this poly man. Stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, the guy did this poly man, but she say she love me. Oh my God, this can't see what she do me. Oh my girl, come please me. This can't you restrict me. Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way they beat me. Girlie give me love when I don't need. Girlie give you more than is what they can do this poly man, but she careless. Say she loving me, she don't need no one. Oh, the girl did this poly man, but she stick to me, she don't need no one.
Alright, so this is how you can actually use Autotune assets. If video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Gosai. Go and watch my previous videos. Let's take the mix to the next level. Until that, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.